This particular test was more of a vehicle impact test, which is very much like it would experience on the road in Phoenix.
My name is Vincent Gigiotti. I'm the Traffic Signal Superintendent for the City of Phoenix. Well, my first reaction to what I saw today was that the product that they're offering definitely works. We can see that for salvaging fiber optics, this device works pretty well.
Represents a technology that is needed on every street corner with a signal light in America.
I'm encouraged with the product. My name is Mike Sutton, and I am the ITS engineer for the town of Gilbert. We've always said the same thing, like, well, is it going to work? What if, someone hits it? So it was encouraging to see you guys as well take it to that extent and actually hit a cabinet and, show, what it can do.
When fiber optic gets broken or shattered, you typically have to go back at least 200-300 feet. This means that the fiber optic coming up to our cabinet is salvaged. It is going to save manpower and it's going to save some materials. So it would definitely be a benefit and will be a benefit for the City of Phoenix for us to use it, because currently we have 1,135 intersections throughout the City of Phoenix. We could have as many as 4 cabinet knockdowns in one day.
All of those secondary safety issues, they stay in effect until such a time when that traffic light goes back up running again.
Just on a grand total, you're probably talking, all involved between 2 departments, you're probably talking 5 to 10 people, 2 different crews. It could take anywhere from minimal would be about 4 hours, maximum would be probably 6 to 8 hours, depending on the severity.
CSP becomes a very important part in being able to reset the cabinet and get it back up and running in a matter of minutes as opposed to hours.
Even though it was destroyed in the process of the crash, it sheared the fiber and saved that underground infrastructure just the way it's designed to do so.